Jellyfish? What is it?
I don't know. It's rock. It's rock. Yeah, it's eyeballs.
It's eyeballs.
One is out.
All right, can you get it?
No.
No?
I got it. It's so cold with bubbles.
They're cold and bubbles? Friends, we're not going to throw them. Paige, go get that one, please. All right, can you put some in your hand so I can take a picture? Yeah, that was pretty good. Let me see. Oh, get that one, Paige. It's getting away. Let me see. Can you show me in your hands? All right, not in your mouth, though.